My name's Rob Shipway. We started Hello Plumbing to give Sydney-siders a reliable, honest, trustworthy service that they can depend on. Upfront from the beginning about costs and someone you can rely on. Just ask the thousands of happy customers across Sydney. Hello Plumbing uses innovative and cost-effective processes of pipe relining that has minimal disruption to your property, meaning you don't need to relay those disturbed areas of your property. It has a minimum service life of 50 years. It's the best and quickest way to reline your damaged pipes. As a Bravo Liner certified installer, we use the ultimate relining products and technology in Australia and New Zealand. The Bravo Liner system enables you to reline and rehabilitate complete lengths of damaged pipes seamlessly underground without excavation or disturbing your gardens. After your initial call to us on 1300 30 30 55, we will visit your property and assess your pipes using a small inspection camera that can be inserted from anywhere in your house. Once determined that pipe relining is the best solution to fix your pipes, we'll perform a high pressure clean of all the pipe systems that are going to be relined. Our relining team then measures out the exact amount of pipe that must be repaired. The reline technicians mix a special epoxy resin that is impregnated into a felt liner. The liner is then loaded into our inversion drum. Using air pressure, we then invert the felt liner into the damaged drain. This liner can go around an almost unlimited amount of bends to repair one pipe in one go. Once the liner has been blown down the pipe, we then introduce a calibration tube, which we will fill using our hot water boiler. Once the pipework is filled with boiling water, a circulation pump is then added to circulate the hot water consistently, causing the resin to cure as hard as concrete. In under 2 to 3 hours, your new liner has been cured and has formed a seamless pipe within your old pipework. We then trim the end of the liner, ready for one final video inspection before reinstating the inspection joint. Our products are backed by a root-free warranty of 25 years. We also check the line for a correct adhesion once a year for 5 years. This is done completely free of charge. Once the job has been finished, you will then receive a certificate of reline, which states the batch numbers and resin used and the serial numbers of the liner for your warranty. We proudly stand behind all our product used. Give us a call today, 1300 30 30 55 for your free quote.